Hey guys, welcome to the new series by Top 7-Elevens. This food series is all about the best and tasty foods across the world and in every country on the planet. To be precise, we are gonna cover the best top 7 to top 11 foods of all the 195 countries in an alphabetical order. Whoa, that's a long way. So today, we are gonna see the top 10 foods in the country of Afghanistan. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Here's a small introduction of Afghanistan, a country with a population of 39 million or 3.9 crore people, a developing country where women are well respected and the traditional foods are well cherished. People love to cook in Afghanistan. Comment below if we have left any dishes in the list and comment your favorite dishes too. If you want to try to make the dish, I will leave the procedure in the description below. Okay, without any further delay. Number 1. Kabuli Pulao. Kabuli Pulao is a type of pilaf. It's a rice dish that is popular in Afghanistan and Central Asia. Due to the price and quality of the ingredients as well as its history as Afghanistan's national cuisine, Kabuli Pulao is regarded as a celebratory and important dish. It's made with steamed rice, raisins, carrots, and meat or lamb. Depending on the region, there are several variations. The dish is generally served in the middle of a table with other meals as a center of attraction. If you go to Afghanistan, visit the restaurant named Babab Wali in the national province of Jalalabad. The rate is approximately 185 AFN, a must-try main dish if you are visiting Afghanistan. This tasty and yummy pulao is rather enough to fill your appetite. Number 2. Mantu. Mantu or manti is a kind of dumpling that can be found in most Turkic cuisines as well as Afghan cuisine. The size and shape of the dish you're buying varies substantially depending on where it is being prepared. The dumplings are usually made of a spicy meat mixture, usually lamb or ground beef, wrapped in a thin dough wrapper, either boiled or steamed. The mantu is a thin rolled dough stuffed with beef or lamb, minced onions and spices, cooked and then topped with a yogurt based sauce. The chaka, which is thick, creamy, stained and salted yogurt, lemon juice, dried and fresh mint, green and red chili powder and crushed garlic are used to make the sauce. There's a specific pattern in which the dough of each sampling is twisted and closed around the filling. Instead of a tomato based sauce, some Afghans choose to serve mantu with a carrot korma or stew. Try this dish in the town of Bod Bazar of Peshawar. Number 3. Chainaki. This traditional South Asian recipe, called the ultimate comfort food of Afghanistan, is a warm stew cooked during harsh winters and challenging times, and in recent decades it is a culinary escape to simpler and a more happier time. The way to eat this dish is to break the large naan that comes with each serving into little pieces and place as many as you like in your bowl. Then you pour the soup over the bread from the teapot, which is filled with a rich red orange lamb soup made with tomatoes, onions and spices and cooked over a slow flame. If you visit Jalalabad, do visit the restaurant called Chardai Restaurant to try out this tasty dish and to feel the experience. It's a yummy dish priced at 150 AFN. Number 4. Chopan Kebabs. Afghan kebab, also known as Chopan kebab, can be found at restaurants and street vendor stalls. This kebab's quality is completely dependent on the quality of the meat used. Lamb is the most popular meat used in these kebabs. Still, Each restaurant's recipe is different from another. It is grilled and cooked in a grill pan or fire to get the smoky flavor for the dish. Chopan kebab is typically served with naan rather than rice. Customers can choose to top their kebabs with sumac or gora, also called as dry grapes. To enhance the flavor of the lamb skewers, pieces of fat from the sheep's tail are usually added. Go to the streets of Share Na in Kabul city to taste the best flavors of this dish. Number 5. Bolani. Bolani, also known as periki, is an Afghan stuffed flatbread that is fried with a filling. It comes with a thin crust and can be packed with a variety of fillings. Bolani is designed for special occasions such as birthdays, engagement parties, and holidays. This recipe includes items such as potatoes and leeks, as well as glazed pumpkin, chives, red lentils, and minced beef. There are two methods that this dish can be prepared. First is egg roll wrapper method. Using egg roll wrappers instead of creating the bolani dough is a time-saving convenience that is popular in Western countries. The second method is baked dough method. Baking is another popular method for producing bolani. Despite the fact that frying is the most popular method for special events, baking is becoming increasingly popular among Westerners. It can be served with plain yogurt or mint yogurt and is usually served with the dough drink. If you visit Kabul, go to the restaurant called Bolani and try this amazing dish at only 90 AFN. A must-try dish for all the tangy flavor lovers. Number 6. Mastava. This traditional Afghan rice dish is usually found during winter season and is more popular among the Afghans and other Western countries. The ingredients are landi beef, short grain rice, chickpeas, korut, and seasonings including naranj peels, turmeric, garlic, dill, mint, and coriander are the main components in this Afghan winter rice dish. The dried meat, garlic, coriander, and onions are sauteed first, then covered in water and cooked until the meat is softened. Mastava is typically served on one large plate to be portioned out at the table and served hot. Go to the restaurant named Nakchir in the 3rd Street of Taimani project of Kabul city. Hey, hope you guys are enjoying the video. Wait till the end for a special dish as a bonus to try and not miss out, and 3 more fun facts of Afghanistan. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more notifications of these delicious recipes from around the world. Number 7. Chapli Kebab. Chapli Kebab is a beef mince patty that is a specialty of eastern Afghanistan. In both Pakistan and Afghanistan, it is a favorite barbecue dish. Chapli is derived from the Pashto word chaprik, which literally means flat. The original Chapli kebab recipe calls for a half meat, half flour mixture. It was originally made with beef in Peshawar, but it is now also available with chicken and lamb. The Chapli kebab recipe has developed over time, with regional spices being added to the dish. It's served with naan and is made flat and circular. Chapli kebabs can be served with a variety of chutney sauces, salad yogurt, pickles or almonds, as well as other accompaniments including parsley, chopped onions and tomatoes. Aromatic, juicy and spicy chapli kebab is best served this way. It can be found at the Murad Khani in Kabul city, and don't forget to try out this dish. Number 8. Sheer Yak. Here's a dish for all the dessert lovers. Sheer Yak is a dessert which means frozen milk or cold milk in Dari. It is an Afghan dish made with the same components as Indian Gulfi ice cream but prepared differently. The ingredients are milk, sugar and flavorings are all mixed together in a metal container which is then placed into another metal container filled with ice and salt. Cardamom, rosewater, and salep, which is a wild orchid powder, are typical flavorings. Sheer yak is usually served in small bowls and topped with chopped pistachios, almonds, and thick ice cream. Pasiga Sherik store in Kama district is the best place to try this dessert. Number 9. Ashak. Ashak is an Afghan dish that takes a long time to prepare and is usually served at holidays or special occasions. It resembles the Central Asian mantu which I mentioned earlier in this video. The ingredients are: it is made up of pasta dumplings filled with chives with a frequently meaty tomato sauce, topped with yogurt and dried mint. It is served by spreading the garlic yogurt onto a serving platter and place the ashak on top, then spoon over the meat sauce on top of the ashak. It is then scattered generously with dried mint. It can be found on the Esmat Muslim Street House in the city of Kabul in Afghanistan. Finally, number 10. Haft Meva. Haft Meva is a New Year's drink in Afghanistan and other central countries that is made from 7 fruits. The ingredients are: it is made up of raisins, sultanas, dried apricots with stones, pistachios, assorted nuts, walnuts and almonds, white berries, sugar and rose water. It is a soup that is finally served in a bowl, and it is considered one of the best soups to taste and try at least once in your lifetime. It is found in almost all the restaurants around Afghanistan. Now, finally for the bonus dish. It's Goshi Fil. Goshi Fil looks like an elephant's ear, is a fried pastry from Iranian cuisine and also popular in Afghanistan. A must-try dish for all the sweet lovers. It is a traditional sweet dish in Afghanistan. The dough is formed into the shape of an elephant's ear and deep fried in oil. The pistachios and powdered sugar are then sprinkled on top of each piece. To make the dough, they whisk together the eggs, milk and butter, then add the dry ingredients to bring the best flavor possible. This sweet is mainly served with tea, especially during Ramadan. Afghan people usually eat it with dog, a sour drink made of yogurt topped with rose flower petals. Now, for the 3 fun facts of Afghanistan. Number 1. New Year of Afghanistan is celebrated on 21st March and it is called as Nowruz. Number 2. Afghanistan has been in the news more than any country in the world in the past decade. Number 3. Food is generally served on the floor, on clothes made from different kinds of materials, especially at homes. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more top 7 to top 11 videos, and if you liked the video, give it a like and click the bell button for notifications of more amazing dishes from different countries, and comment what is your favorite dish on the list, and also let us know what dish we have missed. See you in the next video.